Hello, my name is Daphne Monroy. Today I am going to talk about technology in human development and its impacts. I currently live in the municipality of Suacha, very popular due to the great urban development that it has had in recent years, where many homes have been built within Evan Jones Reach, creating the opportunity for many families to have their own home, and this has been possible with the use of new technologies for construction. Um, Technology has changed my life positively because thanks to it I have had the opportunity to carry out my work from home office, which allows me to spend more time with my family and be able to carry out more activities. In addition to this, it has allowed me to continue my studies virtual. Regarding the positive and negative aspect that my community has had with the use of technology, it can be said that, as for positive aspect, education has improved and more people have access to it. With technology, a variety of homes have been created, giving the opportunity to have their own home. Access routes have improved. Communication with distance relatives is easier. And as for the negative aspect, we can say that insecurity has increased due to having contact with insecure websites. The levels of depression and anxiety have increased due to the use of social networks. Children have decreased their social interaction due to being in constant contact with electronic devices. Thanks.